Hey guys, on the road again.
We just left Little Diamond Lake Thousand Trails, and we are headed to
Montana.
Action.
We're going to go to see Glacier National Park, so we're really excited about that. We had to say goodbye to our friends, 18 Summers.
When you travel full time, you meet a lot of new friends, and you stay with them for a while, you hang out with them for a while, and then they leave.
Then they
or
leave you.
But that's just the nature of the beast. The beauty about it is that you're probably going to see them again down the road.
Right. Which is a great thing.
We hung out with Hal and Randy and their 4 kids and just had an absolute fantastic fun time. We met them in Chehalis, and then it turned out that they were traveling to Eastern Washington and we're going to be in Newport at the same time we were. And Hal owns a company called OTR Print Services, and he set us up with some vinyl for the back of the fifth wheel and the back of the car, and it looks awesome.
It looks amazing.
And then he helped us put together our new website, and we now have a full-blown website with our blog. And you can take a look at the website, and it's got some really cool resource items. We've got some affiliate links in there. We've got some links to learn more about big rig trucks and heavy duty trucks. We have some links in there that will take you and learn more about the RV lifestyle through escapees, and some apps and some computer programs that we use, and some general information about us. And so we're really excited to have the website up and running, and thanks to Hal for helping us get it up and running and started and up and online. So go take a look at sweettravels.com. We think you'll like it. Give us some suggestions, give us some ideas on what you'd like to see included in the website, some links that maybe would be helpful, or some information that would be helpful that we could put on there. Eventually we're looking at putting on an Amazon affiliate link so that we can list the equipment that we use on a regular basis and give you links. And just to let you know, the affiliate page that we use is a referral program for some of the companies that we use, and we won't recommend an affiliate unless we actually have used their services or their product ourselves and are completely satisfied with it. And if we are happy with a product, we'll list it on our affiliate page and let you guys know, and then we'll get a small referral fee back from these companies in return for advertising their services. But like I say, we won't advertise them unless we use them and we're happy with them. So go take a look and tell us what you think. Leave some comments below. So in the meantime, we're going to Glacier.
And we're excited. We want to go hiking.
We haven't been to Glacier in a long time.
No, not since our kids were little.
Many years. So we're excited to go on the Going to the Sun Highway. One of our travel tips is to stay put during the major holidays. So we always try to book a reservation a week or more before a major holiday.
Yeah.
And then we keep the reservations completely through the major holiday. Now that Labor Day is come and gone, we can feel like we can get back out on the road. In fact, I called just 5 days ago this RV park we're going to in Glacier, and I said, what have you got next week? And she says, what day do you want to arrive? I said, what day you got? She says, pick one. So after
that's
Labor
a really
Day,
good tip.
Yep, after Labor
really
Day,
good tip.
After the major holidays, everything seems to open up, and so here we go. We're going to be able to move around without making long-term reservations again, and kind of hang out at some of our favorite places. The kids are back in school, the people are back to work.
Yeah.
Summer is technically over for a lot of people, and we're just getting started.
That's right. We are. Follow along with us. We're going to Glacier National Park, and we're ready for a change.
And take a look at these views that we've got on the road. I mean, it's just an absolutely incredible view.
Yeah.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces, there is pain. Lift the sky, go further, push through the edge. We know how to be a hot mess. We know how to be a hot mess, hot mess. All the places we have crashed. And we know how to run distress. We know how to be a mess. Light them fires, run with the gangsters, taste the forbidden fruits. We love too much. We know how to be a hot mess, hot mess. All the places we have crashed.
So with traveling comes road construction.
Is that what this is?
Yeah, it is. It reminds us of the Alcan going to Alaska.
I think the Elcan's better than
I
this.
think so. It's not as long. Holy cow. As you can see on our dash cam, it is ridiculous.
I think I see pavement.
Stop teasing me.
Pilot car follow me sign is shaking back and forth. You know it's rough.
Watch the confusion. We know how to be a mess. All the places we have crashed. And we know how to be
And we're off. We are on our way to Glacier National Park, and we're gonna be able to go to going to the Sun Highway, which we've never been to. So I'm really excited about
Yeah,
that.
me too.
And we're gonna meet up with Tina and Aaron from Jones Into Travel, and I'm really excited to meet them. They seem like really nice people. So stay with us, and here we go.
Okay, we made it.
Yay!
Check out this view.
It is amazing.
This is so
Oh my gosh.
cool.
It is so beautiful. Yay!
So what do you think?
I'm happy.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
This is pretty cool. And it's a long way down.
Yes, and there are little glaciers up there. Right up on the top over there.
All right, so we're gonna get back out of the road because there's a lot of traffic here.
Yeah, and they want to stop and take pictures, so.
All right, let's go.
See you later.
Okay, check this out, guys. We made it, and can you see this? Absolutely, positively gorgeous. And oh, look here. Who's that?
I had to do it.
Look who we found.
How's it going,
Jones
sweet
to
travels?
Travel. Hey guys.
Hey.
First time we get to meet these two.
Yeah, we're just cruising around in the middle of absolutely nowhere.
I know, we just happened to come
And we
across.
ran into, this guy in the smart car tried running me off the road, so we had to pull over.
That's right.
Almost had a little bit of fisticuffs, but all kidding aside, it's great to meet you guys.
Yeah,
it really is.
good to meet you guys too.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
and,
Maggie.
Oh,
and your
Maggie.
baby's inside. There's Maggie. Hey Maggie.
She's like, it's nap time.
Yeah,
I'm done
it's her
with you
third
people.
nap of the morning.
Yeah.
Just so sweet.
So we're gonna try to find some place to park and maybe have lunch and shoot a little whatever.
Sounds like a plan. We're going to talk about Alaska.
There we go.
Yeah.
We could do
We know
that.
somebody who's got a little experience with
Yeah.
with Alaska. We've got a tiny bit of experience with it. We at least drove through it. I mean, I don't know, but
You guys, we've been watching their Alaska series videos and they're amazing. You guys need to go. Jones to Travel.
yeah, please check them out.
Go take a look at their channel. They're a lot of fun.
Absolutely.
Put it down below.
Yep. Well, good morning. We had an absolute great time with Aaron and Tina and Maggie. We ended up driving down to the lake and having lunch. Then they ended up coming out to our coach. We sat around and we talked about heavy duty trucks. We talked about fifth wheels. We talked about full-time RVing. Just had a great time. They are such nice people. And we ended up going out to dinner with them, and then they had to drive home. And they are staying on the east side of the park. We're on the west side of the park. And so they actually drove home at 10 o'clock at night through the park on that road that you just saw, and got home at about 11:30. So I don't know that I would have done it, but they were brave enough and they got home safely, and we really appreciate the time that we got to spend with them. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. We met some new friends. So one thing that we did discuss that Aaron noticed on our coach, I've got a tire that's wearing on the outside more than it should. So I made a lot of phone calls to MoreRide about our suspension and to Goodyear about the tire. And it looks like we're going to have the suspension aligned, and Goodyear wants to look at the tire and see if it's bad. But anyway, I'm going to have to change out to my spare before we head out of here, because I don't want to risk the chance of a blowout on the road. So here's a look at the tire, if you can see this. So you can see I'm wearing on the outside. I've got probably 3 to 4/32 seconds of tread on the middle, and I'm right down to the tread mark on the outside of that front tire. So something's going on. I don't know what it is. So I'm making some phone calls and see what we can do. But I'll have to put the spare on before we leave here, because I just don't trust that going down the road. Well, we tried to get some video leaving the park. I don't know if it came out or not. Kelly doesn't think it did, but I guess we'll find out when we get to our destination. We are headed down the road. Our feet were getting itchy. It was time to scratch them. And time to get out on the road. So here we go. We're going to go have the tire looked at. We're going to have the alignment looked at.
In 1/4 mile,
and see what we
turn
can
left
do.
on Rose Crossing.
And it's
Enjoy.
time to say goodbye to Glacier.
Living full time isn't all unicorns and candy canes
And butterflies.
and butterflies. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for being part of our journey. Thanks for being part of the community. We really appreciate you guys, and you guys are absolutely awesome.
That's right.
Love your comments. Tell us what you think about the website. Tell us what you think about our videos. We're all for improving whatever we can. So thanks for coming along. We'll see you later. In the meantime,
Go out and explore.